Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda coming at you from my craft room with another journal flip through. I just finished a soft-sided quilted Midori style journal. It has two signatures. Everything in it is pretty much recycled. The quilt on the outside cover is from a local mattress factory that gave me a bunch of mattress quilting that they didn't need anymore, so I'm recycling that. The inside cover is a thrift store tablecloth, and it's an April Cornell, and I love the fabric. The closure is recycled chiffon silk, sari silk, and it measures 10 inches by 7.5 inches. It has two signatures, 118 plus pages, and yeah, so I'll open it up and let you see. The closure I made was from more of that quilted material, and it's a heart, and I just sewed the sari silk onto it. I think that turned out really cute. Here is a handmade iris flower that was embossed, and it was a handmade card that I turned into a cover topper. I think it's really pretty, and it has 4 eyelets, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom, that hold the Midori elastic. There is a pocket on both sides. Actually, the right side is a double pocket. Inside this pocket there is a handmade blueberry dyed and decoupaged envelope with blueberry dyed paper. For journaling. Here is some handmade mulberry paper that I purchased from a local papery store. There are some floral book pages that I included. This is also hand-dyed avocado pink paper. And then I just took a bunch of my test prints, and they weren't double-sided, so I sewed 2 pages together to make double-sided. And you can decorate or add attach paper to the front of it for journaling. So there's a lot of those. There's also some coffee dyed paper in here, but the majority are digitals, pretty floral digitals that you can decorate. Here's another book page, pretty flowers. More avocado dyed paper. Love the pink. Another book page. The other side of that handmade paper. Then the second signature also starts with the handmade paper and the digitals and the coffee dyed, avocado dyed, floral book page. Yeah, just a bunch of really pretty digitals that you can decorate and journal on by adding your own paper to it. You can also take these 2 signatures out, add pages. Each of the 2 signatures is sewn down the middle with my sewing machine, but you can definitely take these signatures out and add different signatures as you wish, because it's got the Midori elastic. And then on the back pockets, there's a handmade tag and another handmade tag with a seal that I made, a wax seal. And yeah, this journal was fun to make. I'll have it listed in my Etsy shop, and the link will be down below in the details. Thank you and have a great day.